Welcome to this month's video vlog. I'm Lorne Heise, the founder of Heatline Freeze Protection Systems, and this month we're going to take you through our facilities, show you our front end, our front offices, and a little bit of the manufacturing process and warehouses. I hope you enjoy. So this is our head office and our team that answers customer calls every day and moves the calls on to the required technical support. On the walls, we have patents and trademarks that represent a lot of hard work and a lot of innovation and represent the products that we manufacture and sell here every day. A lot of our prime products like Retroline, Paladin, the process begins here, where we take North American made raw materials, heating cores and things like that. They go through our high quality measuring equipment. Measurement has to be precise because of the applications involved, and it all begins here. So the nature of the business is such that when people need the product, they often need it quickly, and they may be on site, cold climate. So we keep a lot of inventory here so that we can quickly supply the product per the demand at particular times of the year. We have a specific division. It's dedicated to what we call OEM business. We manufacture products for original equipment manufacturers. Companies like fire truck manufacturers, coach companies, RV manufacturers, and all of the products are very specialized for their particular applications. We have a complete division in the company to provide that service. So the idea behind our facilities here is also a little bit innovative. We live in a very rural area, and rather than being an industrial park, the idea was to show how really nice business can be clean and can operate in a rural environment. These buildings don't really look like factories. They're designed to be a very pleasant look and have a pleasant feel. Grounds are manicured, so we keep inventory in some buildings, we assemble in others, we have our offices as well, and they're all spread out over an area. We're now in what we call Building 3, which is used for a number of different things. Obviously, inventory is one where we keep a lot of raw inventory here that we move to main manufacturing as required. We also do research here. We have our boardrooms in here, and we also have sales and technical offices in here. So we're still in Building 3. These are the front offices of Building 3. It's adjacent to Building 1, so it's basically a duplicate setup, but we also have sales and technical in here, and our main boardroom is in here as well. So to conclude, we're in my boardroom in Building 3, and I hope you enjoyed the tour. I know it was a little quick, but it gives you some insight as to what we do at Heatline. And at this time, I'd like to remind you to sign up for our email newsletter, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and other social media pages. Thanks again for watching.